What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Clevs Pete. If you're new to the channel, mazee, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Make sure you comment and also share. So to the subscribers, to my subscribers, I wanna thank you for the energy you've been with me, mazee. I thank you for the support. So for today's, I'm in my up country. So it's a chilly morning, mazee. The breeze is cool. Na upepo imezidi. So nataka kuonyesha guys, I'm going to show you how my day ends well in a up country, in a village, typical African way. So I'm going to show you for today's, mazee. Feel welcome, mazee. Thanks. So right now I headed right to wash my face since it was in the morning and I hadn't washed my face, so I decided to wash at our pond there. It's a small pond too for the livestock to drink some water in the afternoon or even in the evening. So I decided to wash my face there. You know, being as an African, that's our nature. Yeah, like I find it so cute, mazee, so adoring when washing your face in the river. Imagine in the morning, washing your face in the river. So beautiful, mazee. You feel like enlightened. So that's the dream for me. So guys, I'm going to think what I'm going to do for today. Since I'm not going with the cows, I decided to head to the shamba to prepare, you know. In this time we are in the period of harvesting, so we do harvesting while preparing the land on a sweet time for timely planting.
Pigilia tu juju.
Where the jembe was totally disgusting. I was trying to refix it, but I was just testing, you know. See, I have to align the soil very well, like there. But my jembe though, it was, I felt like, what kind of jembe is this, mazee? So it's only some parts I'm doing preparation, the other parts I'm going to harvest the grass and give it to the
Jafkata 1 minute.
I can decide to make them the hay, but it said that the small portion,
Siko
the
fit.
one I'm going to focus with it. I prepare it thoroughly. My jembe, I told you my jembe. Hey. Okay. There me trying to fix with the stone. I didn't have the gadgets to make it much fun. So it's my first time again to be in my up country. So doing, as you can see, I'm trying. Wazee, don't forget.
Alafu sasa utoe uliposa uache hapo chini alafu anze sasa kulima.
Promote me by commenting, wazee. Even guys, I'll be humbled, wazee. I'm going to set another to show you the things in gardening.